Good morning. Today we're going to do a battery swap on a 2011 Road King. I love these lightning start batteries. There's 600 crank amps. It makes a world of a difference. We're going to swap out this battery and I'm going to show you. You touch the button and lightning starts. I use them in all my bikes. I really do swear by them. You should give them a look, and I get them on eBay. Not too much, $129, well worth it. This is 600 crank amps. It's a really nice battery with a warranty and everything. With that, we're going to get started. We're going to remove the seat, remove the battery, install a new battery, and put everything back together. I just wanted to show you guys this lightning start battery. It is exceptional. All right, let's take the seat off. Okay, with a Phillips head, we'll remove the screw. Alright, I'm going to remove this bag on the left side to get to that strap. Phillips head, we got to remove this strap. Okay, let's take the seat off. A lot easier. With a 1/2-inch socket or a torque bit, let's remove this cover on the battery. Patience, and be careful, you don't want to scratch nothing. Now you'll notice this will flip up. Alright, on this bike here, we had to remove this port, that's right there, swing that aside. We're going to have to remove, you'll see this is just slid in place, if you look close. And that will go like that. Okay, and there's our battery. With a 10mm or a Phillips head, we'll remove it. Let's take the negative off first so it can't short if the positive hits the frame. This has a battery tender connected, so let's just take everything apart the same way it goes together. Alright, I got these little clips. Holds everything in place. Now I'll get the positive. Now, with the negative off, if this was to hit the frame, there would be no short. Now, let's lift this up. Take my little clip, Home Depot. All right, and there's that. Leave it over here. starter. All right, now we're going to put this lightning battery in. Just taking it out of the box. These are great batteries. Now let's just do the reverse. Put it in the way we took it out. All right, like I said, they're heavy, so be careful. Right in, same size, just a great battery. Let's get our Phillips head and reinstall. Let's start off with the positive. I like to take a little wire brush, clean the lead a little bit while we're here. Now it's going to fit right back in. Okay. Don't strip it, don't get crazy. Now for the negative. Let's get the clip off. The wire brush. You're going to see these lightning batteries are really high quality. Here's my battery tender. By doing the negative last, you can never get it a short or ground the battery out. So what you want to do is disconnect the negative, put it aside. Disconnect the positive, put it aside. Put the battery in, connect the positive, then go for your negative, and you can never get hurt. I just got a little 10 millimeter. Give it a little, watch out with the tools. Okay, you don't want this to hit anything metal. Hold the tool clearly. Hold it cleanly. Could be a problem. We'll wrap it with tape. All right, we're all done with that. Not a problem. Now we take this cover. Make sure we swing this to the side. You'll see this will snap in to this groove. Everything is in place. That's there. This goes here. Wrap your wires nice. Put these 1/2 inch in. Hand start. Hand start. Snug it up. Be careful. Snug it up. It's all good. Now what I want to do is start the bike. Make sure everything's all right before we go any further. Okay, fuel pump, everything's beautiful. It's in neutral. I love these batteries. They really give a good kick. With that, I'm going to throw the seat back on and finish this up. All right, we put the seat on. Now for the strap. Okay. Let's put the bag on. nice. Pretty simple, everybody could do it. Pump, neutral. Like I said, if you have any questions, just ask. And if you could, please subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment.